CISM certification, benefits and career opportunities. The Certified Information Security Manager (CISM) certification is a globally recognized credential for information security professionals. It is offered by the Information Systems Audit and Control Association (ISACA) and is designed for individuals who manage, design, oversee, and assess an enterprise's information security. Benefits of CISM certification: increased earning potential. CISM certified professionals often earn higher salaries compared to their non-certified counterparts. Industry recognition. Employers and peers acknowledge CISM certification as a mark of excellence in the field of information security. Validation of skills. Holding a CISM certification demonstrates expertise in information security governance, risk management, and compliance. CISM certification career opportunities: Information Security Manager, IT Risk Manager, Cybersecurity Consultant, Chief Information Security Officer, CISO, and Security Analyst. CISM certification advantages: job prospects. The demand for skilled information security professionals continues to grow, creating numerous job opportunities for CISM certified individuals. Professional development. CISM certification equips individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the dynamic field of information security. Conclusion. In conclusion, obtaining a CISM certification can significantly enhance your career prospects in the cybersecurity industry.